Another spreadsheet. By now you're really understanding spreadsheets, I'm hoping, because this will be at least your third project. And what you're going to do here is you're just going to recreate a very simple gradebook. We've probably used examples like this in class. And you're going to have some students. You'll definitely be typing these in. Anything in the red, that's something that is a number that would be typed in by the user of the gradebook. And then anything in tan, and you see it over here as well, is something that needs to be calculated from the grades. And so they would end up having formulas in there. And you can always check yourself. So for example, if it turned out that Billy didn't get a 48 on the quiz, he really got an 8, I'm going to type in an 8 there. But when I hit enter, there's a couple of things that are going to change. Several things. His total points, his percent grade, and since his quiz grade changed so much, the average of all these quiz grades is also going to change. And I hit enter, and kaboom, boom like that, all these items changed. And if I hit this undo, I head right on back to where I used to be. Very straightforward. I think you can figure it out. But one of the emphases on this one would be, hey, go ahead and format this to look maybe different than what I have, but play around with it. All these formatting options that are available to you up here, or even under format up here, you can make this thing look different, possibly better. So do what you need to do to make this thing look good. Enjoy!